law of reflection. So what is the first law of reflection? That angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. So we'll see the angle. यहाँ पे देखेंगे हम कि you can see here. So this light is the incident ray. You can see here. This light is incident ray, and the reflection is shown in the mirror. You can see here. The reflection is shown in the mirror, and that the center part, this is the normal. Yes. So when the angle between the incident ray and the normal is the angle of incident, and the angle between the normal and the reflected ray, that is known as the angle of reflection. And we can see here, now we'll measure also that angle of incident is equal to angle of following the law of reflection or not. So we'll see here. This is the normal. Now we'll draw the line. यहाँ से हम पहले एक लाइन यहाँ से ड्रॉ कर लेंगे. That will show us the exact. Now remove the pin. Palak, remove the pin. So this is the incident ray. Okay. Now this was the pin move. This is the reflected. Okay. And this is normal. Okay. Now we'll measure Palak. See, it is following or not. Exactly keep in center. Now this, what is this? 130, no, what is that? 50 degree. And here also approx 50 degrees. So maybe here and there we have drawn the line. So we can see here it is following the law of everybody is understanding or not? Yes. This is the centimeter. Here is the centimeter. So we'll here draw the line and see how much far the image is from. So this is the 10 centimeter. What is 10 centimeter? At 10 centimeter from the mirror. From the mirror I am keeping the object at the distance of 10 centimeter. Okay. Now we'll see the image is also formed behind the mirror. Yes. At what distance? 10 centimeter. Okay. So we'll see. Switch off the light. Yes. Now I'm keeping at the here. Yes. So you bring the camera here. You can see that this is the object. The candle is the object which has been kept from the mirror at the distance of 10 centimeter, and you can see the image of the candle is formed behind the mirror. At what distance? 10 centimeter. Okay, suppose I am keeping the candle now at the 5 centimeter. Yes. So now you will see the image of the candle has been also come closer to the mirror at the 5 centimeter. Yes. It means wherever, what is the distance between the mirror and the object? That is the distance between the image and the object, image and the mirror, behind the mirror, and behind double, like it is 10 cm